Hello everybody and welcome to today's session. In today's session we are going to discuss about the important topic is percentages. Percentages. The word percentage is abbreviated from the Latin word percentum. Percentum. This word percentage is abbreviated from Latin word percentum, which means per hundred. Per hundred. Per hundred. I mean out of 100. We can also say that out of 100. Out of 100 or for every 100. Percent. See, per cent. Century. Century is nothing but what? 100, right? The word percentage is abbreviated from Latin word, which came from Latin word, that is percentum. So per 100 or out of 100 or for every 100. The symbol is usually for percentages. This is the symbol which is usually for percentage. This is the symbol for percentage. If we say 30% profit, if we say 30% profit, I mean what? For out of 100, you got 30 rupees extra amount. If we say a student got 95% marks, if we say a student got 95% marks, 95% mark means out of 100 he got 95 marks. Out of 100 he got 95 marks. You understood what you mean by percent? Per 100, out of 100, for every 100. Okay, that is called percentage. Now let us discuss how to convert percentage as fraction. How to convert percentage as fraction. How to convert percentage as a fraction. For suppose percentage as a fraction. Suppose 25%. How to convert this percentage into fraction? See, if you want to convert percentage into fraction, we have to divide it by 100 and we have to remove percentage sign. See here, which is 25%. 25% I can write as 25 by 100. 25 by 100 means we have to remove this percentage sign. If you want to convert percentage into fraction, we have to divide it by 100 and we have to remove percentage sign. You can see this is our percent. This is our percentage. We convert it into fraction. Yes, it is in the form of fraction. 25 by 100, which is in the form of fraction. Yes, of course, it is in the form of fraction, in the form of numerator by denominator. See, out of 100, 25. So, for example, 75%. 75%, which is a percentage. If you want to convert percentage into fraction, you have to divide it by 100. 75 by 100, you have to remove the percentage sign. In this way, we can convert percentage as a fraction. Okay, a fraction, we can also say like this. A fraction with the denominator 100 is also called it as percentage. See, this is a fraction with the denominator how much here? 100. Here also, which is a fraction whose denominator is 100, we can say it as a percentage. So percentage is nothing but per 100, per every 100, or also we can can say hundredth. Hundredth. Okay, in this way we can convert percentage into fraction. Now my question, how to convert fraction as a percent? How to convert fraction as a percent? How to convert fraction as a percent? Completely, which is opposite to that. So suppose fraction, for example 25 by 100. So for suppose fraction, right, 8 by 10. My fraction is, suppose 8 by 10. My fraction is 8 by 10. This is our fraction. How to convert fraction as a percent? If you want to convert fraction as a percent, we have to multiply into 100 and put the percentage sign. What to do? Let me explain. 8 by 10 is our fraction. We have to convert into percentage. So what we have to do? We have to multiply. We have to multiply into 100 and put the percentage sign. We have to multiply into 100 and we have to put the percentage sign. Right? So 10 table, 10 1 jar, 10 10 jar. So 8 into 10, 8 10 jar, 80 percentage. So 8 by 10 is our fraction. We converted fraction into percentage. See, this is our 8 by 10, which is our fraction. This is our fraction. We converted into percentage. What we have to do? If you want to convert fraction into percentage, we have to multiply into 100 and put percentage sign. This is the symbol. This is the percentage sign, right? Percentage sign. Okay. But suppose 16 by 25. Suppose 16 by 25. 16 divided by 25. This is our fraction. How to convert fraction into percentage? We have to multiply into 100 and put percentage sign. Right? Now 25 table, 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar. 25 4 jar, 100. So 16 into 4, 16 4 jar, 64. So we converted fraction into percentage. So 16 by 25 is nothing but how much percentage? Which is 64 percentage. This is clear? First we converted fraction into, percentage into fraction. Here we converted fraction into percentage. Percentage as fraction means we have to divide it by 100. And we have to remove the percentage sign. Here we have to divide it by 100. We have to divide it by 100. We have to remove percentage sign. We have to remove percentage sign. Here we have to multiply into 100 and we have to add percentage sign. That is the difference between converting percentage into fraction as well as fraction into percentage. Okay. The next one is how to convert percentage as ratio. How to convert percentage as ratio? Percentage as ratio. Now the question is how to convert percentage as ratio, and the second one is ratio as percent. See the difference between percentage as ratio and ratio as percentage. For suppose my percentage is 10%. So if you want to convert percentage as ratio, first you convert the percentage into fraction first of all. What we have to do? We have to convert percentage into fraction. So this is 10%. Let me convert into fraction. If you want to convert percentage into fraction, we have to divide it by 100 and we have to remove percentage sign. We have to divide it by 100 and we have to remove percentage sign. Now simplify. 10 divided by 100. 10 table, 10 ones are 10 tens are. So we got how much percent? How much is the fraction? The fraction is 1 by 10. How to write 1 by 10? Fraction which is in the form of a by b. A by b, we can also write it as a is to b. So 1 by 10, we can write it as 1 is to 10. Got it my point? How to convert percentage as ratio? If we want to convert percentage into ratio, first we have to convert percentage into fraction. If you want to convert percentage into fraction, we have to divide it by 100, remove percentage sign. 10 divided by 100, 10 ones are 10 tens are. 1 by 100, we can write as 1 is to 100. For one more example, for example 45 percentage. For example 45 percentage. Which is a percentage? 45 percentage. First, let me convert into fraction. 45 by 100. Now 5 table. 5 nines are 5 20s are. That is 9 by 20. 9 by 20 I can write as 9 is to 20. See, we are converting percentage as ratio. Okay. Now the question is how to convert ratio as percentage. For suppose my ratio is 9 is to 20. What is the ratio? 9 is to 20. How to convert as percentage? First, this is the ratio. Convert into fraction. 9 is to 20 I can write as 9 by 20. If you want to convert ratio as percentage, first you convert into fraction and multiply into 100, multiply into 100 and add percentage sign. See, ratio as percentage. First, ratio you convert into fraction. 9 is to 20 is ratio. Convert into fraction 9 by 20. Now the fraction into percentage into 100 and add percentage sign. Add percentage sign. Okay. So 20 table, 21s are 25s are. So 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45 percentage. Got it my point? How to convert percentage as ratio and also ratio as percentage. Okay. Next one more example and one more topic. How to convert percentage in decimal form. Percentage in decimal form. How to convert percentage in decimal form and decimal as percentage. Decimal as percentage. Okay. Now the topic is how to convert percentage in decimal form and decimal as a percentage. Suppose, so percentage into decimal. Consider one percentage, for example 9 percentage. For example 9 percentage. This is our percentage. We have to convert into decimal form. We have to convert into decimal form. 9 percentage. 9 percentage. First convert into fraction. Percentage, I mean 9 out of 100. See, this is our fraction. 9 by 100. 9 by 100, we can write it as 0.09. See, this is our percentage. We convert it into decimal. This is our decimal form. So this is our decimal point. Decimal point. Before decimal point is called whole number part. After decimal point, we call as decimal part. See, we converted percentage as decimal. So for that, we have to convert first percentage into fraction, then we convert it into decimal form. Right? 9%. For example, 25%. 25%. Convert 25% into fraction, that is 25 by 100. 25 by 100, then 25 by 100 is nothing but 0.25. See, this is our fraction, sorry, percentage, we convert it into decimal form. Now the question is, how to convert decimal as a percentage? How to convert decimal as a percentage? For suppose decimal is 0.289. 0.289. So how to convert decimal as a percentage? If you want to convert decimal as a percentage, we need to multiply by 100 and put percentage sign. We have to add percentage sign. See, this is our decimal. This is called our decimal. Decimal we have to express as percentage. So 0.289 into 100 and add percentage sign. 0.289 into 100%. So here we have two zeros are there. So this decimal point shift towards right hand side 2 digits. So this I can write as 28.9%. 28.9%. Right? For example, 0.08. So 0.08 is decimal, which is our decimal. Convert into percentage into 100, add percentage sign. Okay. So here we have two zeros. When we are multiplying, we need to shift this decimal point towards right hand side 2 decimal places. So this will become 8%. This will become 8%. In this way, we can convert percentage as fraction, fraction as percentage, percentage as ratio, ratio as percentage, and percentage in decimal form, and decimal as fraction. Okay. In the next session, we will discuss one more topic. I hope you all understood today's session, and this is very important topic. Thank you.